So for today's video, we got something special for the Cummins yet again. You see, you look in this engine bay, it just doesn't look all that great, especially this leaky valve cover. Pretty boring, but we have a solution for that. SP Labs has sent out their billet valve cover for the Cummins. So big shout out to them. This thing is gonna look crazy up under there. Definitely gonna have to get a few nicer parts up under the engine bay to match this. So more than likely, now that we're gonna have a nice billet valve cover, we're gonna need like a chrome intake horn, possibly like a nice air intake, then maybe even like a second gen swap with like a nice shiny turbo. But yeah, let's get this old valve cover ripped off and get straight to it. All right, so now we're just gonna pop this little cover off. All right, and I think this is like a 2-piece. Yeah, 2-piece. Holy hell. Yeah, this thing's been leaking pretty good, as you can tell. All right, now we need to get this little thing taken off. I don't even know what it's called. This is probably what's been leaking down here, looks like. Okay, I'm glad that didn't break. Hopefully this doesn't either. Okay, and that snapped right in half, so that's good. I don't even know how you're supposed to get that off. Maybe you just, oh, yeah, all you gotta do is just wiggle it off. Okay, so whatever that is, got it off. Now we just need to get these bolts out, then the valve cover should just pop right off. Now we're just gonna get our valve cover bolts out. This Milwaukee ratchet right here, probably my favorite purchase. I love these things. I use them at work all the time. Use them on the trucks and cars. So definitely worth the money. Man, these back ones are a pain. Probably wouldn't be that bad if my heat shield or whatever that's called wasn't all up in my way. Now the valve cover should just pull right out. You know, if it doesn't get caught on everything. Okay, now we got the old one out. Ooh, looks pretty gunked up in there. That's good. We'll act like we didn't see that. Okay, here they are side by side. As you can see, huge difference. This is like a 2-piece thing. This is just 1 piece, so less moving parts also. So that's nice. I think I'm gonna be very happy with this. Really like this valve cover. So right now, just got done putting these plugs in the side and transferring that from the old one. I think that's for the dump valve, but this one that broke, pretty sure I'm supposed to just plug it anyway. So probably just figure out what size bolt I need, shove a bolt in there, call it a day. But right now, about to get this bolted in and put the new gasket on, then we should be able to toss this right in the truck. Okay, got the valve cover gasket put on, and it is a little tricky to get it in there. This is a really thick gasket and pretty good quality, honestly. But yeah, you just gotta keep working with it and be patient, and it will seat and fit correctly. But yeah, now it's time to go throw this in the truck. All right, got this hose back there hooked up. Need to zip tie all this up out of my way, but now we're going in with the new valve cover. Just trying to be careful not to knock that gasket off. Okay, now throw some bolts in it. Should be good to go. click, 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 click. Those last two back there, I'm gonna have to get those by hand, but shouldn't be no problem. All right, now we got one more bolt back here. Then this project should be done, other than plugging that other line. Just gonna go back over these by hand, give them some more Todd torques. Click, 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 click. All right, everything's torqued to factory specs, and I definitely didn't just hit my head on the hood. All right, and here's our finished product. Lighting's not too great, so I'll catch back up with y'all tomorrow and show you in some daylight. Okay, so here it is in a little bit of daylight. This looks crazy good. Very pleased with this. But now that we have this project finished, now on to our next project. This yard that I messed up last week. Got the skid steer to help, but gonna be putting up the carport right there tomorrow. Gonna be putting the driveway down to there tomorrow. So should be interesting. Here it is. This is the path we're making to the pad. So yeah, it's going pretty good. Hopefully we'll still be able to get that carport up today, but I'm not sure. It's already about 1 o'clock right now, so I don't know. We'll see. So we're out here doing the driveway right now. Already got a lot of it cleared out. Yeah, it's going along pretty good so far. And we have our weed screen laid down. This is hopefully to keep grass and weeds from growing up through the gravel. But yeah, now we're about to lay some gravel, see how it looks. Making some progress out here, slowly but surely. Check back up with y'all when we finish this driveway. So here's the driveway, and here's the carport. Still got to touch up a few things, like add some more beams, like these right here. They just go in between these from this hole up to those holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll clean up this mess and we should be done. I am planning on closing it in all around and building like some barn doors up front, putting some lights in here, and turn this into a shop. That's the plans. But now got a good little mess to clean up. But yeah, not gonna lie, that sucked. Me and one of my buddies, we knocked it out in a day. Not fun at all. But we got it together. Pretty big. I mean, not bad. I think I paid $1,200 for it from Home Depot. So yeah, not too bad. So just catching back up. Said I wanted to do a chrome intake horn. So trusty old Amazon, and we got one. So now we're gonna get that thrown in and should clean this engine bay up some. Okay. Okay. Now that we got the old one out, now let's compare the two. So this is what came off. This is what's gonna go back on. A lot more aesthetically appealing. But yeah, let's get that thrown on. Get these all tight. So here it is in the engine bay. Looks a lot better than the other one. Not too crazy about this whole situation right here. Like the fact that this doesn't actually mount right there. I don't know. I'll have to figure something out for that, but overall, looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna see if it made any difference with the turbo noise, because I've seen some people saying that it does. Let's find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and be honest, I don't really hear any difference whatsoever, but it looks better up under the engine bay, and that's really all I care about. So no harm, no foul. I think it looks pretty good, so as long as it doesn't blow into pieces, I'll be happy. Also, while I was at it, finally got around to changing this out, since I kept having to jump it off because this was broke and the wires were loose. And also, same story over here. These two wires were so corroded that they broke. So fixed those, put a bolt in there, did the same thing over there, but replaced the terminal. Now let's give it a test fire, see if it will start without a jump pack, because it's been really annoying having to jump this thing off every single time I drive it. Let's find out. Oh yeah, and that's finally fixed. So that is terrific. Now I don't have to carry a jump pack with me everywhere I go. So I'd say we're taking dubs here. So after looking at it, this looks pretty bad. So picked up some of this high heat paint. So I'm just gonna paint this real quick, make it look a little better. That way, top of the engine just looks good. So catch up with y'all when I get that done. Okay, now that looks 10 times better. So we're gonna call that good. Hopefully this paint lasts. It says high heat, and this was like $15 for this one can. So hopefully it lasts. Guess we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, here it is, finished product. I think it looks pretty good. So want to give a big shout out to SP Labs for sending this out. If you want to buy anything on their website, you can get a discount by using the code TODD15, TODD15. Yeah, you can use that or my affiliate link and you'll get a discount. So link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and go check them out.